Do you want to copy files and folders from one Google Drive account to another account to consolidate data or archive files from a retiring workspace? Here are the two best manual methods that you can try to achieve success. Share and copy data for selective files. Open Google Drive and click on My Drive to see all the files and folders. Select files and folders you want to move. Once selected, right-click on it to select Share, and again click on Share. Enter the email address of your other Google account, then give editor access and click Send. Open your other Google account and go to the Shared with Me tab. Here you'll have all the files and folders shared from your other account. Using Google Takeout for bulk data. Type Google Takeout in the search bar and open it. Click on the Deselect All button, then scroll down a little and select the Drive option. Again, scroll down to the bottom and click Next Step. Select Add to Drive as destination. Select the frequency to create an export. You can even specify the file type and file size. Once done, click on the Create Export option. Provide the email address and password of your other Google Drive account, and Google Takeout will create an export request. Manual methods are time-consuming and even unreliable for bulk Google Drive data. This is where the need for professional software like 𝐾𝐫𝐢𝐯𝐿 emerges. It is an advanced tool with a wide range of benefits, making it easy for users to move data from one Google Drive to another. Migrates all types of data, such as images, PDFs, documents, etc. Filters for selective data migration, like date filter, file filter, user filter, etc. Lets you perform incremental migration to avoid data duplicity. Smooth source-to-destination mapping feature for accurate migration. Download Kernel Google Drive Migration Tool now to easily move your files from one Google Drive account to another.